Hello and welcome to creating shaker cards with stamps. In past classes, if you've taken any of my classes, you've heard me say that I love interactive and three-dimensional cards, and this one is no different. Creating shaker cards is a fun way to add an interactive element to your cards without really a whole lot of extra effort, but it is fun to do and fun to incorporate, and they're also really fun to play with. Let's go take a look at what we're going to be covering in this class. So these are the three shaker cards we're going to be creating in this class. And like I just said, they're super fun to play with, and they're a great way to just add a little bit of extra dimension, a little bit of extra interest to your cards. Now, this class focuses on using stamped images for creating shaker cards, but I'm going to color each one of them in different ways. The first one, we are going to do a little bit of watercoloring. Now, that's not to say that you couldn't choose to color your images in a different way. I just wanted to do them all a little bit different. The second card is has color layer stamps that are used, and I also incorporated little shell cards because or shells in it because it is a beach card, and show you how to do that. And in the third card, we're going to take an element from the stamped image and we're going to create a shaker element with that. So these cards are super fun to play with, and they're also fun to make. This class comes with a downloadable PDF supply list that will have pictures of each one of the sample cards, as well as listing all the products that were used to create the card. So you can order those products and have them delivered to your door if you choose. Otherwise, they're a great way to learn how to use your stamps in a different way and how to think about them in a little bit of a different way. Let's go create some shaker cards.